Why, hello. If you don't know how to yo-yo, this is the place to come. Now, we've already done one video. It's called Introduction to Yo-Yo. You need to learn that. If you need to learn that, then I would rather go on YouTube and search that up. So today we are learning how to make our yo-yo sleep and then make it come back. This is a very simple and very easy way to do stuff. You just let it sleep. You know how you sleep. Well, this thing stays still. So, if your yo-yo comes up automatically, it's either your string is either twisted up. Which reminds me, if you don't know this, there's unresponsive yo-yos and responsive yo-yos. Unresponsive is when it doesn't come back up no matter what. See? But that's not anything. So what you can do is you can open your yo-yo up, and the things that are around the thing that holds the string on, you flip those around. And if it's a responsive and you want it unresponsive, you do the same thing. So right now you need a responsive yo-yo, so where it'll stay down, and when you pull it, it'll come back up. So we're doing this right now. That's easy. You think it's easy. You think, oh yeah, I can do that no matter what. Well, you go like that, and it doesn't spin as fast. See, look. See, it came back up a little. Well, you're doing it how people used to do it. You're doing it like that. What you need to do is flip your hand over, and then make a muscle, and then go like that. And don't pull back up. And it'll do that. And if it does do that, your string is twisted a lot. And you don't need that to happen. Bye-bye, people of the galaxy.